Class 10, everybody greet. Good morning, teacher. How are you, my children? You may now sit down. I want to mark the register. I want my little car, Satimana, Zakaria, ya. Say, I'm Marubarim. Say, Doris Atilongo. Say, I am Taga Apollo. Say, Mahamaduna Savale. Say, Wadia Zakari. Say, Ibrahim Suyene. Say, Asukuru Elizabeth. Say, Bizanya lan shukuru bihe, bizanya lan karu bihe. Gwele meneki, ingara kukanaya, de malamala kwa galaga. Mani chani shukuru, mani mbwa basa, kana wura karu bihe. Liyabla bihe karamba, nalaka jadiri wahala. Class 1 teacher, naso you suffer. Grammar 1 teacher, naso so we the hala. Mani chani shukuru, mani mbwa basa.
Hello guys, I'm Mustafa Fakeehat and I'm here with
Orman, Hajara, Nasara.
Is it your dream to become a TV or a radio presenter? I recommend Oxford Media and Computer Institute to you. The management of the school just introduced a short-term 2-3 month certificate course in journalism and ethics, adding up to their already enrolling diploma course for students enrolling for 2023 academic year.
This is a perfect to prospect students who has least poor grades or without formal education background, whose desire is to enroll in Oxford School of Journalism for short-term tuition and practicals in journalism and ethics. Note: 100% assurance for internship, attachments and job placements for proactive and well-disciplined students after completing the course.
For further clarification, call or chat the director on 02439 76562 or the principal 0200519910. They offer programs which includes computer software, radio and television broadcasting, marketing and advertising, communication skills,
public relations, and news writing and reporting. Pick your application form at Northstar FM or at the school premises, Jena, after Islamic Senior High School.
Accommodation is available for students coming from Afar. Application form is for only 400 Ghana cedis, no fees. Thank you.
Abora umbo. So igba ni jina cameraman. Tarazo kikata.
Masa no bayina kamera wakala yina kamera de masa.
La.
Tana hindi sara la.
So ibora sara la. Eh?
Masa yey bilo ko kulli.
Ano la ula?
Enyo ko kulli.
Muni. Ko kulli ka ngombor ko ko. Piota. Wa ana sinu piota. La. Bombo. Wadurkom. Wadur ki to chama Burkina. Ba Burkina.
Masalan zampadu.
Zampadu. Zampadu nyimpo alamba ya.
Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to your favorite high school story on Munzoya TV. Please do follow us on our social media handles Munzoya TV at TikTok Munzoya TV, Facebook Munzoya TV, and YouTube Munzoya TV. Please subscribe to our channel to get notified every time we drop a video. And as you know, this program is proudly sponsored by Marah Catering Service, M&J Studio, Mashallah Beauty Salon, and Taga Salon. I am Mustafa Fakeehat, your favorite high school channel on Munzoya TV, and I'm your host. And today I'm here with a very special guest right here, and she's called Hajara. Let's go for a very quick commercial break. When we come back, we'll introduce our guest to you.
Hi guys, my name is Emmanuel. Keep watching Munzoya TV. Keep watching High School Story and subscribe to the channel.
My name is Taro Abdelkasir. Keep watching Unzoya TV.
High School Story, building your confidence.
Building the confidence, building your own confidence.
High School Story, building your confidence.
High School Story, building the confidence.
Hello guys, I'm Mustafa and I'm here with
Orman, Hajara, Nasara.
Is it your dream to become a TV or a radio presenter? I recommend Oxford Media and Computer Institute to you. The management of the school just introduced a short-term 2-3 month certificate course in journalism and ethics, adding up to their already enrolling diploma course for students enrolling for 2023 academic year.
This is a perfect to prospective students who has least poor grades or without formal education background, whose desire is to enroll in Oxford School of Journalism for short-term tuition and practicals in journalism and ethics. Note: 100% assurance for internship, attachments and job placements for proactive and well-disciplined students after completing the course.
For further clarification, call or chat the director on 02439 or the principal 0200519910. They offer programs which includes computer software, radio and television broadcasting, marketing and advertising, communication skills,
Public relations, and news writing and reporting. Pick your application form at Northstar FM or at the school premises, Jena, after Islamic Senior High School.
Accommodation is available for students coming from Afar. Application form is for only 400 Ghana cedis, no fees. Thank you. You are welcome back from the quick commercial break. Hajara, please can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm the person of Osman Hajara Nasara, and I was born in Tamari here at Ababu. I started my schooling at Salon Academy, that was kindergarten, and I moved on to Presby's, Sagasaka Presby Primary School, and I started there from primary 1 to primary 6. After that, I moved on to Great Ambition Junior High School. That's where I did my junior high school education. After that, I moved to the Great Tamar School, Tamar Senior High School, and currently I'm at Oxford School of Journalism.
Okay. You said Tamai Senior High School.
Of course.
You said the Great Tamar School. What of Ghana School?
Kuku Experiment.
But I also heard Tamar School is also Sanargo Experiment.
It's because the Ganaskans are jealous of us. That's why they give us that.
But a Ganaskans once told me that you guys are their genius.
Damaso is the first queen northern here. So you are a genius.
Okay. I see. Okay, that's good though. So back at senior high school. What was the favorite memory in senior high school that you will never forget about?
Thank you for that question. What I can't forget in this senior high school was that day that Black Sheriff came to our school. That was such a memorable day. He came and gave us, we had a lot of fun there. So that day, we also, they just give us freedom to do what we want in the school. So that was the day I can't forget in the school.
You said what you want in the school. What you always wanted to do and they restricted you from doing?
Like something like, don't give you jams. They won't let you, some things are there. They will not, normally they don't let us do that things, like jams, not going to class. Every day we must sit for class. So for that day, they let us. We didn't go for class. We were just in the assembly hall. But you can't go out of the school premises.
Okay. So, who inspired you in life?
Boy, You mean my blessings? Like,
Like, who inspires you in life?
my father.
Your father. Why your father?
Like, since I was a child, he's been my biggest support. Like, taking me to every school. Like, everything he sees that is good for me, he takes me there, just give me all the guidance, giving me what I want, like everything up to date. He buy clothes for me, do everything for me. My whole life is in his hands.
Wow, that's fine. And that Hajara is sending greetings to you, Dad, for being the best dad ever to her. Okay, so how did you handle stress and pressure in high school?
Normally, I had one friend and he was a boy. But normally, it's fair. The girlfriends who always give you pressure and that things, man. So anytime they just do such things, like school life,
Yeah.
and they will be talking about people spoiling your name all around that thing. So I'll just move to that. My friend, he was a boy. I'll just move to his dormitory. Then we'll go for class. Like you forget about that stress that they were giving you in the dormitory.
Okay. So what are some of the stress?
Like something like they will just come. Normally, in senior high school, I didn't have a phone. So, like in the dormitory, they'll just be holding their phones, talking to you about phone matters, but you there, you don't have phone. They'll just be, it's like they'll be showing you, they'll just say, this one, like example, Fakeehat, you didn't see this thing that they posted, that thing is man. So, if that just doing that, I'll just go out.
Because you don't want
Like that.
to get yourself into trouble by trying to get one though. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for a very quick commercial break, and when we are back, we'll continue. Hello guys, I'm Mustafa and I'm here with
Orman, Hajara, Nasara.
Is it your dream to become a TV or a radio presenter? I recommend Oxford Media and Computer Institute to you. The management of the school just introduced a short-term 2-3 month certificate course in journalism and ethics, adding up to their already enrolling diploma course for students enrolling for 2023 academic year.
This is a perfect to prospect students who has least poor grades or without formal education background, whose desire is to enroll in Oxford School of Journalism for short-term tuition and practicals in journalism and ethics. Note: 100% assurance for internship, attachments and job placements for proactive and well-disciplined students after completing the course.
For further clarification, call or chat the director on 02439 76562 or the principal 0200519910. They offer programs which includes computer software, radio and television broadcasting, marketing and advertising, communication skills,
public relations, and news writing and reporting. Pick your application form at Northstar FM or at the school premises, Jena, after Islamic Senior High School.
Accommodation is available for students coming from Afar. Application form is for only 400 Ghana cedis, no fees. Thank you.
I'm preparing yummy breast spread. I have special Tom Brown. This one is groundnut paste that I add value to prepare a breast spread. This one is yummy. You can use and enjoy your breakfast, early morning breakfast. You can put it in your office. Whenever you are hungry, you can add up to your bread and eat. For you to place your order, you can call me on this number 055-234-1525.
Hi guys, my name is Emanuela Chukwu. Keep watching Wonzoya TV. Keep watching High School Story and subscribe to the channel.
My name is Mustafa. Keep watching Munzoya TV.
High school story, building your confidence.
Building the confidence, building your own confidence.
High school story. Building your confidence.
High school story, building the confidence.
Okay, you are welcome back on your favorite high school story on Zoya TV. And Hajara,
Yes.
what was your favorite subject back
Oh,
at
wow.
senior high?
Thank you for that question. I mean, my favorite subject was the Bani as an elective. That was what I liked most. And Islamic religious studies. That was the two subjects.
Why did you like those two subjects?
Like in the Bani, like in the Dagbani class, they used to teach us. I'm already in the Gumba, so they teach us more things inside. And I'm a Muslim too, so they'll teach me something that does not even relate to the school, but also outside. That's why I like that subject.
Okay. Have you ever been bullied in school?
I don't think so.
Or faced any difficulty in school?
Difficult.
What difficulties do you face in school?
Like your money will finish. They will not send you money. Like they will be showing you pepper. And sometimes your friend will lie on you. And they will call your parents and lie that you did what and what and did what and what.
What lie have they ever told when you were in senior high school?
That one lie they told on me that was that I went out of school premises for 3 days. That I went out on this thing on Tuesday and I didn't come back till Saturday night. So my father came to the school and I was there. So that was just there. But he didn't believe me. That was something I faced.
So do you know the one who told your dad?
Yeah, I know. But I didn't just comfort that person. But that person came back and was like, I should take it easy. It's not, fake friends.
Pretending. Hey, girls. That's good. Sometimes you learn lessons from those things. So what role did teachers or mentors play in your high school experience?
Well, let me see. One role was like they were very strict. Dormitory after 10 o'clock. If you are not in the dormitory, that's another. They didn't just teach us something that would like help us in the school hall, but also outside, like assembly, like how to wake up early, go to class early, go for assembly, all those stuffs now before it's 7 o'clock, and also leaving the like coming back to the dormitory before 10 o'clock. Make sure you are on bed before it's 10:30. All those stuffs.
Okay. So what are some of the skills you got from high school?
Yeah, meaning how to be confident, how to handle matters that like if they lie on you, how to handle such matters, all those stuff.
Okay. So let's go for a quick break.
Building the confidence, building your own confidence.
High school story. Building your confidence.
High school story, building the confidence.
I'm preparing Yomi breast plate. I have special Tom Brown. This one is groundnut paste that I add value to prepare a breast plate. This one is Yomi. You can use and enjoy your breakfast, early morning breakfast. You can put it in your office. Whenever you are hungry, you can add up to your bread and eat. For you to place your order, you can call me on this number 055-234-1525.
You are welcome back to your favorite high school story on Winzoya TV. Okay, Hajara.
Yes.
So, how did your fellow peers impact on you? Like your fellow friends, students, is it female friends or male friends? How did they
Like
impact?
negative or positive?
Both. Both negative and positive impact.
Like the positive parts are like they are more than the negative parts.
Okay.
So the positive part, like the positive part, how to be confident. At first, I wasn't able to talk. If I was in the middle of something, I wasn't able to talk. But through that, how they were, they'll be giving you morah, go do this, do this. So from that place, I started developing like talking habits. Everywhere I found myself, I start talking, doing anyhow, like, such things.
Okay. So what were some of the negative things?
Negative things like going out of bounds. Go to do illegal charging of phones, all those stuff, sneaking out of prep, that things, man.
Okay, so this is an example that Tabascans are really doing
Every school,
bad
every
things.
school do
Oh
it.
no,
Every
you will not
school.
see. Will you see any Ganaskan doing this kind of thing?
You can't say
because they know that see charging of doing illegal is that's out of the school. This thing you are doing it.
You are the masters of that.
I see. But we Ganaskan school type. Oh, you don't go against the school rules and regulations. So how did high school shape who you are today?
I can say I had a lot of benefits, like something like they really shaped me, because I was having one Madam B. I didn't know her from anywhere. It was just the school. By the way that Madam treated me now, wow. She just caught me going out of bounds and she called me and asked me. Then I told her that I was sick and I wanted to go home. So she signed the exit for me and took me home. So that was where our relationship started. Like he started advising me, doing all those. Like if I say I don't have money, she will not want me to go and do anything together. Man, she will just give me, or she will just give me food to eat. All those stuff. Took my phone. If I want to call my father, then I'll go to her and call all the.
Okay, that's fine. So what's the craziest thing that ever happened to you in high school? Craziest thing.
No, I don't think so.
Nothing crazy ever happened to me in high school.
Just the friends, like the crazy friends, man. They'll be doing some things that would like giddy things, man. You also tend to be doing that things.
Okay.
Friends influence.
So how did you navigate? Okay, first of all, we're in a relationship back at senior high school.
Yes.
Wow. So how did you how were you able to how would I say get out for studies a relationship?
Like my relationship wasn't just like that relationship is been.
That relationship that many people are doing, right?
It wasn't like that. Like if I say relationship, like I had a relationship with someone who is a boy, but not in a negative way. Like we sit and talk about, like if something happens to him in the boys' dormitory, he will tell me. If something happens to me, like someone that I'll just trust and I'll just talk to anyhow.
Okay. So back at senior high school, did any guy, crushes approaching you? Oh, I want you, I like you, and then do some of them really come with materialistic things to convince you to accept their
A lot.
relationship?
someone will be like, we are following this guy, he doesn't have anything, like if I will be giving you money every day, that things man. They like our school, like the boys, some of them and most of them are DBs.
Okay.
The boys, so they will always want to tell you that my father have this, so if you agree, like you will not have anything, and like you will not have any problem on campus, I'll be giving you food, that things man.
Okay, but I know maybe some people really felt in their trap though. Because some people want materialistic things, man. When he just
Most
say
of them
this.
really fall. Unless the wise ones will be.
And yeah, it's true. For that one, it's true. Okay, so let's go for a very quick break. When we are back, we'll continue. Hello guys, I'm Mustafa Fakeehat and I'm here with
Orman, Hajara, Nasara.
Is it your dream to become a TV or a radio presenter? I recommend Oxford Media and Computer Institute to you. The management of the school just introduced a short-term 2-3-month certificate course in journalism and ethics, adding up to their already enrolling diploma course for students enrolling for 2023 academic year.
This is a perfect to prospect students who has least poor grades or without formal education background, whose desire is to enroll in Oxford School of Journalism for short-term tuition and practicals in journalism and ethics. Note: 100% assurance for internship, attachments and job placements for proactive and well-disciplined students after completing the course.
For further clarification, call or chat the director on 02439 or the principal 0200519910. They offer programs which includes computer software, radio and television broadcasting, marketing and advertising, communication skills,
public relations, and news writing and reporting. Pick your application form at Northstar FM or at the school premises, Jenna, after Islamic Senior High School.
Accommodation is available for students coming from Afar. Application form is for only 400 Ghana cedis, no fees. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Emanuela Triokun. Keep watching Wonzoya TV. Keep watching High School Story and subscribe to the channel.
My name is Mustafa Keep watching Wonzoya TV.
High School Story, building your confidence.
Building the confidence, building your own confidence.
High School Story, building your confidence.
High School Story, building the confidence.
Your favorite high school story on Wonzoya TV. Okay, Hajara.
Yes.
What was the most important thing you learned back in high school?
Like, let me say, important thing. Something like how to mingle with friends.
Okay.
Like I'm such a person, like I don't get in touch with friends easily. So before I get a friend, it will be very difficult. But when I went to school, like I made a lot of friends, but now I can still make friends like in an easy way. That's
Okay, that's fine. You know, some people they can't easily make friends unless others approach them. Okay, so how do you stay motivated and focused on your goals in high school?
Let me say, like how my father treats me. Like he doesn't just like insult you. Even if you do something, like if you fail your exams and you show it to him, he'll be like, maybe it was a mistake. He will not want to just tell you that you don't learn such things, man. Like he'll be motivating you, like you can do more such things, man. Just learn.
Okay. So, what is the best advice you had in high school? Best advice someone ever told you back at high school?
Best advice. I can say my government teacher. My government teacher back at senior high school, like he used to tell us that like if you don't like if you're not getting what you want, like you should stay tuned, get people to help you. Like don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Set hand that advice, man. So anytime I just want something, I will not be afraid to tell and like to ask for it or.
Okay. So, what moral lessons did you learn in high school?
I've learned a lot.
Okay.
Like when I didn't before I went to senior high school, I didn't used to fetch water.
Okay.
But when I went to school, I fetch water. I didn't used to make friends. When I went, I make friends. Like I also learned to be confident. Like anywhere I found myself now, I can just talk anyhow. I can talk to people like in a good manner, not in a bad manner.
Okay.
Such things.
Okay, so what advice do you have for those people, current people in senior high school?
My best advice is that they shouldn't go and find bad friends. Sometimes like we've learned a lot of lessons in the senior high school. Like you go and meet some friends, they'll not like you whole, by the way they'll be pretending, ma. So sad things, ma. It makes you like they shouldn't go for bad friends. They should also always go for the good friends. And also like prep is very important.
They should always go for prep. Okay. So as I told you, I hope you had a very interesting conversation with the old Tamascans. What message do you have for Gadaskans?
They should always stay in their lane.
Oh, they
shouldn't come across.
They shouldn't come across you people. I hope you had a very interesting show right here on Wunzoya TV. Wunzoya TV, Wunzoya, your high school story on Wunzoya TV right here. And as you know, you can reach us on our social media: Facebook Wunzoya TV, TikTok Wunzoya TV, and on YouTube Wunzoya TV. Please subscribe to our channel. And as you know, this show is proudly supported by M&J Media, Marah Catering Service, Taga Salon, Mashallah Beauty Salon, located at Shishagu, and Marah Catering Service. Stay tuned to this channel and always get notified. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.
Abora umbo. So igbabo ni yina cameraman. Kara zo ki ka ta.
Masa no yina camera wa kala yina camera de masa.
La.
Tana jimdi sara la.
So ibara sara la. Eh?
Masa ye video ko kulli.
Ano la wala?
Video ko kulli.
Muni. Ko kulli ka ngombor ko ko. Piota. Wala ana sinu piota. La. Bombo. Wa'dukum. Wa'du ki to chama Burkina. Ba Burkina.
Masa nan zampadu.
An zampadu. Zampadu nyimpo alamba ya.